How can I get my money back from Gemini? Hey there and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to get your money back from Gemini. Gemini is a cryptocurrency exchange that has been in the news a lot lately. This is because they have been accused of fraud and other financial misconduct. If you have money invested in Gemini, you may be wondering how to get your money back. In this video, I will discuss the following topics. What is Gemini? What are the allegations against Gemini? How can you get your money back from Gemini? What is Gemini? Gemini is a cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in 2014 by the Winklevoss twins. Gemini is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. What are the allegations against Gemini? Gemini has been accused of the following: fraud, money laundering, insider trading, market manipulation. Gemini has denied all of these allegations. How can you get your money back from Gemini? If you are concerned about your money invested in Gemini, there are a few things you can do. Contact Gemini. You can contact Gemini customer support and ask them about your options. File a complaint with the SEC. The Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) is investigating Gemini. You can file a complaint with the SEC if you believe that Gemini has violated the law. Hire a lawyer. If you are having trouble getting your money back from Gemini, you may want to hire a lawyer. Here are some additional tips for getting your money back from Gemini. Be patient. It may take some time to get your money back from Gemini. Document everything. Keep track of all of your interactions with Gemini. This will help you if you need to file a lawsuit. Don't give up. If you are persistent, you will eventually be able to get your money back from Gemini. If you have money invested in Gemini, you should be aware of the risks involved. However, there are steps you can take to protect yourself and get your money back if necessary. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.